Good evening. How is everybody today? We are looking at the historic Sons of the Confederate Veterans Monument located here at the Hill County Courthouse in Hillsboro, Texas. And it was built in 1825. And it is a Confederate monument dated 1861 to 1865. And it is a very large monument, approximately, I'd say 4 stories tall. And it was erected in 1925 by the citizens here. Again, this is a very beautiful monument here, erected in 1925, right in front of the Hill County Courthouse, here in beautiful downtown Hillsboro, Texas. Okay, here's another view of the monument and the massive courthouse together. This is one of the most beautiful courthouses in Texas. It is humongous. It's got the vintage pillars, and it's got the clock tower. But this particular monument is right here in the very front of it. And it was erected by the patriotic citizens of Hill County, Sons of Confederate Veterans, in grateful and loving memory of the soldiers of the Southern Confederacy. And it looks like it has a soldier on top there. So we're also going to get a better view of the courthouse here at the same time. This is one of the most biggest and beautiful courthouses in Texas, although there are a few other ones like this, but not really have this unique antique vintage architectural design that's real fancy like this. So it is a fascinating, interesting piece of Texas history, along with the monument right there. Now, the courthouse was built in 1890 after the city was incorporated in 1881. So here is the really large entrance to the old courthouse here. Very large wooden doors. Okay, here is the historical landmark plaque here for the courthouse. And it was organized in 1853. And it was erected in 1874, completed in 1890. Okay, here is a rear view, a back view of the Confederate monument here in Hillsboro, Texas, at the Hill County Courthouse. And it was built in 1925. So I hope all of you enjoyed the view of this monument and the courthouse.